as everyone will go on their vacations, everyone will go back to their family. This weekend, mararamdaman namin yung pakiramdam ng OFW na lalayo para makipagsapalaran sa ibang bansa. Guys, may kukwento ko sa inyo. I'm gonna be very honest. I-impake ako. Sinisinip ko na yung mga equipment namin. Because tomorrow, we're going to Singapore. It's not for vacation. Pero, as you all know, nag-announce kami na meron kaming show sa Singapore this coming November 16, di ba? Now, recently, we got a call from the producers telling us that our tickets aren't selling very well. During that call, ang sabi sa amin, 90 tickets out of 1,000 palang yung nabibili. If nothing changes, we might be performing in an empty venue. Or worse, it might not happen at all. So, syempre, in reality, pwede namang dead man lang kami, di ba? Pwede namang ipanalangin na lang namin. Pero, if you know us, if you know the Juans, you know that we won't accept that news just sitting down. Nagbook kami na tickets out of our own pockets. And we're gonna go there tomorrow to really figure out nasan ba yung Filipino community natin sa Singapore? Sino ba yung mga dapat namin makausap, makasalamuha, makakwentuhan? What does it take for us para mabigyan kami ng pagkakataon i-share yung music namin and yung experience ng live show that we bring? To be honest, hindi ko alam if magsasucceed yung gagawin namin. We're gonna be there for 5 days. Kaya ko ito gustong i-share kasi gusto ko magpakatotoo sa inyo na masaya kami, grateful kami. Alam namin that we have reached a level of success. Pero, kagaya ng maraming Pilipino, we still struggle sometimes. Gusto namin ipakita sa sarili namin, sa mga ka-team namin, na hindi kami basta-basta susuko lang ng ganun. Lahat ng pwede namin gawin para maging successful yung event na pinagkatiwala sa amin. Para hindi mapahiya yung mga producers na sumugal sa amin, gagawin namin. Gusto ko lang share to. Gusto ko lang tong i-document sa mga interesadong sundan kung anong mangyayari sa amin doon. I'll try my best to keep you guys updated, but I want to start from a place of authenticity. This is the situation. As everyone will go on their vacations, everyone will go back to their family this weekend. Mararamdaman namin yung pakiramdam ng OFW na lalayo para makipagsapalaran sa ibang bansa. And maybe you can help us if you're listening, if you know anyone from Singapore, we'll be glad to be connected. You know. So guys, after ng isang makabagbag damdaming update na shinare ko kahapon, meron ako bagong update. So by the way, nandito kami ngayon sa airport. We are just waiting to board our plane for our flight to Singapore. Hindi pa rin nagsisink in sa akin yung nangyari in the past 24 hours. Dahil pagka-upload ko ng video, sobrang na-overwhelm ako sa dami ng nag-share ng mga Juanistas, 18, mga kamag-anak, mga kaibigan. Parang after a few hours, nagulat ako na nagtitrending na siya sa Twitter. Ganun level, especially effort ng 18. Ever since noon, talagang nag-overflow yung love nyo for yung mga kapatid namin na SB19 hanggang sa amin. Just wanna thank you for that. Daming nag-message sa akin, paramdam ng support, ng encouragement. Yung iba, gusto nila, kahit wala sila sa Singapore, bibili sila ng tickets daw para lang makapagparamdam ng support. I'm just so humbled and grateful na pinili nyo kaming supportahan. Now, ito. In reality, guys, initially, ang pinaka gusto namin gawin talaga is mag-busking. Kasi yun naman talaga di ba? Pero nung nag-research kami, discourage kami. Kasi apparently, ang daming permits, ang daming requirements na kailangan. And meron pa kaming nabasa na parang kung hindi kami lokal or may working permit, ganyan, kami pwede. So, give up na namin yung idea na makapag-busking. Isip na lang namin ano pa bang ibang pwedeng paraan. But because of your efforts, wait, sasakay lang kami elevator. Nag-reach out yung 18 Singapore actually sa producers namin, informing us na may way para kami ay makapag-busking today. Sa help ni Sir Andro, na one of the leaders ng 18. Matutuloy yung aming busking. Paglapag namin ng 6 p.m., doon na kami rerekta. So if you're from Singapore, 7 to 10 p.m., we're gonna be there. Pupunta kami dyan sa Tono Izakaya. And we're gonna be doing a couple of songs. Special shout out sa 18 Singapore and Sir Andro for making this possible. Yun, matutuloy yung plano natin. Now, I'm curious with all of this happening. Kamusta kaya yung ticket sales namin? Gumalaw kaya yung tickets? Honestly, we have yet to receive a formal report on how the tickets are going. Some people are saying almost nabenta na natin yung kalahati. But we wanna confirm with the producers kung ano talaga yung actual number so we can update you. At yan ang laman ng next update ko sa inyo. So, see you Singapore in a few hours.